Hello dear students, I hope you all are fine and I have went through the video which was uploaded on Friday. In the previous video, I discussed about chapter 7 Our Country India. So in the previous video, I explained about the Himalayas which is present in the north, Arabian Sea in the west of India, Bay of Bengal in the east of India and Indian Ocean in the southern region of India. So India is surrounded by three oceans and north is covered by Himalayas. India has an area of about 3.28 million square kilometer. Then in the previous video, I also discussed about the distance from Kashmir to Kanyakumari is 3200 kilometers and distance from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch is 2900 kilometers. Today, in this video, you will be learning about the physical divisions of our country India. India is marked by a diversity of physical features such as mountains, plateaus, plains, coasts and islands. So, as we have already discussed that India has diversity in landforms, there are mountains, plains, plateaus, coast and islands present. So, in the north, there is Himalayas present. Himalaya is made from the term Him plus Alya, which means the abode of snow, and Himalaya is covered with snow. The Himalayan mountains are divided into three main parallel ranges. The northmost is the Great Himalayas or Himadri. The world's highest peak are located in this range. Middle Himalaya or Himachal lies to the south of Himadri. Many popular hill stations are situated here. Kindly underline the above red lines in your book. Himalayan mountains are divided into three main parallel ranges. I have already discussed in online classes what ranges are. Series of mountains are called as ranges. Himalayan mountains are divided into three parallel ranges. The first is in the northernmost, it is Great Himalayas, which is also called as Himadris. And when we talk about the world's highest peak, it is definitely located in Himalaya. Middle Himalaya is also known as Himachal, which lies in the south of Himadri. There is also 5 hills called Shivalik is the southernmost range. Now let us understand the northern Indian plains lie to the south of Himalayas. So when I talk about Himalayas, which is present in the north of our country India, so in the southern part of Himalayas, North Indian plains lies to the southern of Himalayas. They are generally level and flat. So these plains are flat. These are formed by the alluvial deposit laid down by the river in the Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra and their tributaries. Before starting with the explanation of this line, let us understand what alluvial deposits means. Alluvial deposit means these are very fine soil brought by rivers and deposited in the river basin. So basically the river carries soil with it and these fine soil get deposited in the river basin. So these plains are formed because the river carries these fine soil which get deposited. To the south of northern plains lies the Peninsular Plateau. It is triangular in shape. The relief is highly uneven. This is a region with numerous hill ranges and valleys. So, in the northern plains, there is Peninsular Plateau which is triangular in shape. And in this region also, many hill regions and valleys are present. Aravalli Hills, which is one of the oldest ranges of the world, border it on the northwest side of Himalayas. The Vindhyas and the Satpuras are the important ranges. The river Narmada and Tapi flow through these regions. These are west flowing rivers that drain into Arabian Sea. So Narmada and Tapi rivers flow from west and drain into Arabian Sea. The Western Ghats or Sahyadri border the plateau in the west, and the Eastern Ghats provide the eastern boundaries. So here this means the Western Ghats or Sahyadris borders the plateau in the west. So in the west of northern plains, it is being covered by Western Ghats or Sahyadris, and the eastern part is covered by Eastern Ghats, while the Western Ghats are almost continuous and the Eastern Ghats are broken and uneven. Let us see the images of Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. The plateau is rich in minerals like coal and iron ore. Now let us understand two groups of islands also located in India. Lakshdip Islands are located in Arabian Sea. These are coral islands located off the coast of Kerala. Whereas another group of islands, that is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie to the southeast of Indian mainland in Bay of Bengal. I hope you were able to understand the chapter well. The topics will be discussed in online classes as well.